चले कहाँ तुम विनती करी तेरी, पाँव पड़े तोरे कितना मनाया फिर भी नहीं सुनी रे, छोड़ के कहाँ चले रे। घिरत रात अंधेरा डरावे, लोहित मोहे रुलावे, पंछी अकेला सुना है बसेरा, बाट तकत तोरे आवन की, छोड़ के कहाँ चले।
Straddling the banks of the Brahmaputra, Guwahati, the light of the East, is the getaway to Assam and to the entire northeast region. This former capital of the Kamrup kings, when it was ancient Pragjotishpur, is a crowded, busy river town and a major commercial hub for the region. Surrounded by paddy fields and ancient rainforests, Guwahati is home to many temples that date back to Vedic and Puranic times. Kamrupa is the ancient name of the kingdom that consisted of the Brahmaputra valley and its adjoining regions. During earlier times, Kamrup was called Pragjotishpur. The kingdom is now closely associated with the Indian state of Assam. Though the historical kingdom existed between the 4th century and the middle of the 7th century, the notion of Kamrupa persisted, and ancient and medieval chroniclers continue to call this region by this name. Muslim chroniclers that were written after the end of the Kamrup region continue to call the region Kamaru or Kamrudra. The present Assam was referred to as Kamrup in most and many of ancient Indian literature. It was also known as Pragjotishpur due to the astrology Jyotish Shastra that practiced and prevailed in this part of the country during that time. The Kamakha temple, located on the sacred Nilachal hills and dedicated to Kamakha, the goddess Kali, is one of the more important shrines in Assam. It is a major center of the tantric form of Hinduism and Shaktism. Shiva's dance of death and destruction, the Tandav dance, alarmed all the gods because it threatened to destroy the world. In order to stop the frightful wandering of Lord Shiva, the supreme god of preservation, Lord Vishnu, cut the dead body of Sati Parvati into 51 pieces with his great weapon, the Sudarshan Chakra. The pieces of her body fell onto the earth in 51 different places, and wherever they fell, the ground became sacred, and therefore they are called 51 Shakti Peeths. One of the most important parts of her body, the yoni, or the genitalia of the great goddess Sati, fell on Nilachal hill in Guwahati, and the place was thenceforth held sacred. And it says this famous Kamakhya temple originated from Sati Parvati's yoni. The yoni is a revered symbol in the tradition of the Tantra worship, which is focused on the mother goddess figure. The temple itself reflects this fact in its architecture, which imitates the womb of a woman. The Kamakhya temple was destroyed in early 16th century by Muslim invaders and then rebuilt in the 17th century by King Naranarayana of Coach Bihar. However, its origins are much older. It is likely that it is an ancient Khasi sacrificial site, and worshipping here still includes sacrifices. Devotees come early morning with goats to offer their homage to Shakti. The temple has a beehive-like shikhara. There are delightful sculptural panels and images of Ganesha and other Hindu gods and goddesses. In a corner of the temple, there is a sculptured image of the yoni, which is a great object of reverence. A natural spring keeps the stone moist. The Kalika Purana, an ancient work in Sanskrit, describes Kamakhya as the yielder of all desires, the young bride of Shiva, and the giver of salvation. The goddess Shakti is known as the goddess Kamakhya.
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते.
Guwahati is also this region's most important and busy center of art, culture, education and commercial activity. It is also the only megacity in northeast India, its population having increasing to more than 1 million from the just about 3 lakh in the early 70s. According to an unofficial estimate, the population of Guwahati city at present is about 14 lakh. The mighty Brahmaputra river flowing majestically by its side and a number of hills amounting with green vegetation in and around the city and bounties of nature which not many cities are endowed with. Guwahati. Guwahati suburbs has Dispur as the capital of the Indian state of Assam. The name Guwahati is derived from 2 Assamese words, Guwa, betel nut or supari, and Hat, marketplace. The name was spelled Guwahati earlier, which was changed to the present form in the late 1980s. The city is historical and has a number of historical features within and around it. On the banks of the river Brahmaputra stands the Sukreshwar temple, a Shiva temple, on whose stone walls one can see ancient graphics of various Hindu gods. We the unit members went in and participated in a morning puja that was being conducted over there. The Sukreshwar temple is on the banks of the river when it enters the city of Guwahati.
मुनि प्रवरार्चितलिङ्गम् कामदहन करुणाकरलिङ्गम्.
The old Sanskrit name for the river is Lohitya, and the local name in Assam is Luit. The Bodos call the river Bhulambutur, which means making a gurgling sound, later Sanskritized into Brahmaputra, son of Brahma.
বিস্তীর্ণ পাররে অহংখ জনরে হাহাকার শুনিও নিশব্দে নীরবে বুঢ়ালুই তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় নৈতিকতাৰ স্খলন দেখিও মানৱতাৰ পতন দেখিও নিৰ্লজ্জ অলস ভাৱে বোৱা কিয় জ্ঞানবিহীন নিৰক্ষৰৰ খাদ্যবিহীন নাগৰিকৰ নেতৃবিহীনতাত নিমাত কিয় সহস্ৰ বাৰিষাৰ উন্মাদনাৰ অভিজ্ঞতাৰে পংগু মানৱক সবল সংগ্ৰামী আৰু অগ্ৰগামী কৰি নোতোলা কিয় ব্যক্তি যদি ব্যক্তি কেন্দ্ৰিক সমষ্টি যদি ব্যক্তিত্ব ৰহিত তেনে শিথিল সমাজক নাভাঙা কিয় তুমিয়ে যদি ব্ৰহ্মৰে পুত্ৰ সেই পিতৃত্ব তেনে নাম মাত্ৰ নহলে প্ৰেৰণা নিদিয়া কিয় উন্মত্ত ধৰাৰে কুৰুক্ষেত্ৰৰে হৰসজ্জাকে আলিংগন কৰা ভীষ্মৰূপী অজস্ৰ বীৰক জগাই নোতোলা কিয় বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয়
We have now arrived at the Umananda Shiva temple. The presiding deity of the temple is Umananda. It is believed that the worship here on a Amavasya day, which falls on Monday, brings the highest bliss. The Shiva Chaturdasi is the most colorful festival that is held here annually. Thousands of devotees come to the temple on this occasion for worship of the deity. Legend says Lord Shiva is said to have resided here in the form of Bhayanand. According to the Kalika Purana, in the beginning of creation, Lord Shiva sprinkled ash or bhasma at this place and imparted knowledge to Parvati, his consort. And another legend also states that overcome with the grief at the death of Sati Parvati, Shiva began a grim penance and wandered about the world, carrying her dead body on his head. Shiva's dance of death and penance alarmed all the gods because it threatened to destroy the world. And Shiva continued to do penance, and the gods were afraid. So they sent Kamadeva, the god of love, to distract him in order to break his penance. Kamdeva succeeded in his mission, and Lord Shiva was so enraged at the result that he burnt Kamdeva into ashes by a fiery glance of his third eye. Kamadeva eventually regained his life and his original form, or Rupa, in Assam, in the land where this took place, became known as Kamarup or Kamrupa. And it is also believed that Kamdeva interrupted Lord Shiva's meditation on this hillock and was therefore burned to ashes by the fire of Shiva's anger. And hence this hillock got the original name of Bhasmachala and was also called Bhasmakuta. The Kalika Purana states that Urvashi Kunda is situated here, and here resides the goddess Urvashi, who brought Amrit or nectar for the enjoyment of the goddess Kamakha, and hence the island also got the name Urvashi Island. It's in the southern outskirts of Guwahati that Vashisht Ashram exists. The running mountain stream, the gurgling of the waters, the froth of the foam of the waters gives it a purity and sanctity. It's surrounded by deep, dark jungle and lovely trees, giving it a shade. It's an ancient temple on the Sandhyachal hills, where again, according to Kalika Purana, Vashishtha Rishimuni sat in meditation for years. His meditation was so powerful that it brought down the three heavenly streams, Sandhya, Lalita, and Kanta, to earth. It is said that it was after a dip in the Sangam, or the confluence of the three heavenly streams, that Rishi Vashishtha attained moksha. Hindus strongly believe a dip in the holy waters of Vashisht would wipe off their sins of 7 lives. The Navagraha Mandir is one of the most famous ancient temples in the heart of Guwahati.
Brahma Murari Stripurantakari Bhanu Shashi Bhumi Suto Budhascha Guruscha Shukrah Shani Rahu Ketavah कुर्वन्तु सर्वे मम सुप्रभातम् ब्रह्मा मुरारि त्रिपुरान्तकारी भानु
According to the Kalika Purana, Lord Brahma, the god of creation, had stationed himself here at Pragjyotishpur during that period when he created the sun, moon, stars and the 9 planets.
ब्रह्मा मुरारि त्रिपुरान्तकारी भानु शशि भूमिसुतो बुधश्च गुरुश्च शुक्रः शनिराहुकेतवः कुर्वन्तु सर्वे मम सुप्रभातम् ब्रह्मा मुरारि त्रिपुरान्तकारी भानु शशि भूमिसुतो बुधश्च गुरुश्च शुक्रः शनिराहुकेतवः कुर्वन्तु सर्वे मम सुप्रभातम् ब्रह्मा मुरारि त्रिपुरान्तकारी भानु शशि भूमिसुतो
मोरे सजना चले कहाँ तुम विनती करी तेरी पाँव पड़े तोरे कितना मनाया फिर भी नहीं सुनी रे छोड़ के कहाँ चले